Hi friends, today is May 28th, the World Menstrual Hygiene Day. A week later, on June 5th, we would be celebrating the World Environment Day. Today, I'm going to tell you 10 must remember points about a device which will take care of your menstrual hygiene and at the same time would be environment friendly. Yes, I am talking about a menstrual cup. Point number one. A single menstrual cup can be used for up to 10 years, in contrast to a sanitary napkin, which is use and throw. Point number two. A menstrual cup costs around 300 to 500 rupees. A lady with a normal menstrual flow, on an average, spends around 300 to 500 rupees every month on sanitary napkins, which equates to close to 4,000 to 6,000 rupees every year and 40,000 to 60,000 rupees every 10 years. So, if you use a menstrual cup which can be used for up to 10 years, it becomes a cost-effective option. Point number 3. Sanitary napkins are made of super absorbent polymer on the inside and a polyethylene back cover to keep it dry. Remember, it's a plastic-like material and is non-biodegradable. In contrast, a menstrual cup, which is made of flexible medical-grade silicone or latex and can be reused, is a much more environment-friendly option. Point number 4. A menstrual cup can be continuously used for up to 12 hours depending on the flow, in contrast to a sanitary napkin which has to be changed every 4 to 6 hours. This would ensure an undisturbed continuous sleep even on those days. Point number 5. Contrary to the wrong belief, you can continue your physical activities when you are using a menstrual cup. You can go to school, you can go to office, and even do light exercises when using a menstrual cup. Point number 6. Allergic reactions to sanitary napkins are a big concern for most women. You can forget about allergic reactions if you are using a menstrual cup. Point number 7. Bad smell related to a soaked napkin creates a kind of aversion for most women towards menses. You can forget about it if you use a menstrual cup. Point number 8. Self-insertion of a menstrual cup is definitely possible by anyone. If in case you need help for the first time, seek the help of a gynecologist. Point number 9. At the beginning of a menses, sterilize your menstrual cup by placing it in boiling water for 5 minutes. Beyond that, during menses, you just need to clean it with running water. Point number 10. Clean hands, clean vagina, and a clean cup will save you from any related infection during menses. So think of changing over to a menstrual cup for yourself as well as for the environment. Thank you.